Hi, this is John with Ligao Leche, and coming out with the line that I'm trying to restore my hair again after a barber accident that I had like a month ago. This Ligao de Leche spray or like common spray is just great, and I'm gonna tell you why. This is just a small serum or a little a light serum that you're going to spray over your hair, and it's gonna give you some shiny. It's gonna restore the hair from the top. And all right, sometimes you would ask like a guy would not just use shampoo and done, don't even use a conditioner. But as a guy, you can actually take care of your hair. And my hair has a lot of frizz, so it's pretty thick and has like its own personality. So it goes sideways anyways, but not the way that I want him to go. And this is actually a really good product because it keeps the frizz down. It's not gonna hold it like if it was a pomade, but at the same time, it softens the hair, and it's overall a great smell. At the same time, it's light. It's not gonna be too hard. So this was John with Domly ATI, and that was my point of view.